everyone, it's me Mumita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Today we are going to make some brownie. We will make the brownie without any eggs and we will make it without using any oven. And we will make a yummy chocolate slurry for it without using any cream. It is very easy to make. You can enjoy it at home. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe.
Let's start making the brownie first. Here I took some chunk of dark chocolates, about half cup, and added some cubes of butter to it. In a hot water pan, place the bowl and you will notice slowly the butter and chocolates are started to melt. It will take some time. The mix of butter and chocolate will give a heavenly taste to our brownie. Our chocolate and butter mix is looking delicious. Now we will add the flours to it. Here I took 1 bowl of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can increase the content of sugar as per your choice. We will sieve the powders and will start folding it with the chocolate butter mix. Here I will take half glass of milk and will gradually add the milk to the mixture. It may take some time but mix it very nicely. Once you added the milk, it will look like this. For baking, here I am using a simple heat-proof bowl. You can use your baking tray for this. I'm going to brush some oil in the container so that we can take out the cake easily once it got baked. Brush some flour in the body and transfer the cake batter to it. Tap the container nicely so that the batter will be distributed equally. Here I took a karai for baking and I have preheated for 10 minutes. I will place our bowl and cover it and cook for near about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep on checking for it. Once it's done, cool it down and cut it in cubes. It's very smooth and spongy. Now you can transfer it directly to your serving bowl. In the meantime, we will make the chocolate slurry. Here I took some all-purpose flour with some cocoa powder, some powdered sugar, we'll mix all the things together. Now gradually add some milk to it. I took half glass of full fat milk for this. Once it mixed, transfer into a flame to a low and cook for 2 minutes. Now add some butter to it. It will give a nice taste. Some of your favorite chocolates. I added some dark chocolate chunks and some milk chocolate chunks. Cook it until the chocolates and the butter melts nicely. You can totally avoid the chocolate slurry, but it will give a very nice taste to your brownie. Slowly spread the slurry to your brownies. It's very chocolatey and very delicious in taste. you want to add some colors, add some jams or any other candy of your choice. Our chocolate brownie is ready, so enjoy.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the recipe, hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and for more such recipe, please do subscribe to my channel.